Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Howdy, howdy, howdy. Hey, Shiram, good morning, bro. Or good evening to you. How you doing, brother? Let me put this thing here. Sorry, I'm just, overslept today. I'm just too tired recently. I don't know if anybody else is also feeling that way. Like, I'm just very tired nowadays. Can you hear me though? Oh, you're making a master plan for learning. That would be nice, bro. That's awesome. What's in the plan though? What something interesting is in the plan? I would love to know. Oh, with the free courses Idor gave you, yeah, dude. That guy is so like helpful, like such a nice guy. It's crazy. Such a nice guy. And that's the one of the beauties of like having a good community, right? Like I think people like everybody's helping each other and stuff. It's just nice to see. Like it's heartwarming almost. Okay, so my chats should be visible, right? Go like this. After finishing the planning to do hack the box penetration tester path, get CPTS in future. Oh, nice, dude. That hack the box challenges are really good, man. Hack the box challenges, if you complete like or the paths you complete, they are really good. Especially given the fact there is ranking in them, different one compared to like try hack me. It's going to be very useful. It's very useful to do those. But also keep like an eye on programming because for job perspective, right? Programming, there are much more jobs, going to be always much more jobs in programming than in cybersecurity. Not saying that like you people don't get it. You can get jobs in cybersecurity, but just saying to keep an eye on keep your programming also very up. Because the more programming you do, the more better it is like for you. Okay. But with that being said, are you ready for some LeetCode today? Oh, today one is hard. Length of the longest V-shaped diagonal segment. Yeah, I don't think we should try that right now. Yeah. So okay, let's look into the easy ones. And I did post it on. I didn't see wrench yet. Usually wrench is here by this time. All good. I think he might be busy. But yo, okay. Even Rabbit or Rover, they both are not here. Okay, so that's fine. So we got our merge to sorted list done yesterday. Let's work towards remove duplicates from sorted array. So, let me post this one and let me open my this guy here. This one is working. I'll do the due diligence later. Let me just work on. Okay, here we go. Sorry. Okay, I'll close this guy and I will increase my volume here so it's easier for you guys to hear me. Have you done like did the LeetCode yesterday, the one I solved? Did you try it? How was it? Was it helpful? Remove duplicates from sorted array. Remove duplicate. Yeah, I tried. It was helpful. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Good to hear. Bro. And did you started your like what's this called? Git one? Git a repo? I should focus on DSM once I go to college. Yeah, data structure and algorithm is like very important. I will tell you this: when you write scripts for like your hacking, like a lot of good projects you see, whether it's like Metasploit, whether it's like any type of Go Buster or anything, all of them technically are using data structure and algorithm, right, to make it faster. Like programming language does affect what how fast things can go, but having good data structure will make a big difference. Yo Idor, yo Range, what's up, bro? Yeah, you should create a GitHub 100%, man. So no DSA. No DSA. Why no DSA, bro? Okay, here's the LeetCode link. They just code and then get it. Dude, what a guy, man. Sometimes it's so fun to see you. Okay, so let's read the problem, right? Given an integer array nums sorted. Do you want me to increase the font? This should be good, right? Because DSA has maths. DSA is not even maths though. Data structure and algorithm is not even maths. It's more like logic. You'll say no DSA, but you know he will be in top 100 in LeetCode. 100%. 100%. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. So we have a sorted one, so non-decreasing, so it's going from small to big. Remove the duplicate in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Oh, CodeChef was also very popular when I was in school. You won't find your LeetCode. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in num. Okay. Consider the number of unique element nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contain unique elements in the order they present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. First k element contains unique elements. Okay. Let's see. Custom judges. The judge will test your solution by the following: input array, expected numbers. There is no Twitch. There should be Twitch today. There is Twitch. Oh, in the. I think you mean in the. What's this called? What's the name? What's the name? In the Discord one. Yeah, I forgot. I forgot to do the Twitch there in the Discord when I message. Yeah, yeah. It's the same link though. Like for YouTube it changes, but Twitch it's always the same. It's just my profile, censored hacker. Okay, the judge will test your solution with the following code: nums, expected nums, k, remove duplicate number, calls your implementation, assert k, this length, nums, I, expected number. Yeah. Okay, let's see. We are given this array. Answer will be 2 because others, we don't care about this one, right? It can be anything. Your function should return k equals 2 with the first two elements of nums being 1 and k respectively. It does not matter what you leave beyond the returned k, hence they are underscores. So I can do anything after the k, that doesn't matter. What matters is whether they are. So now here's the thing, right? This is looks like an easy solution. That hey, we can go have multiple. Important thing actually, and this is the truth. Important thing, interviewers remove the duplicates. Then remove the duplicates. Like it should return the nums of the same. I think it should return the array of the same length. And like once the elements are removed, you can just do anything. Yeah, fill with anything. They don't care. They only care about the k you give and the returned value, array, because that's this thing only they care about. They don't care about anything, right? Doesn't matter what you leave behind, right? Now let me tell you an interesting thing. The interviewers who are actually care about this, right? They are not looking for like if you are able to solve this. What they are looking for is if you are able to solve in like almost like on time complexity specifically, right? That's what they care about, and these are the solutions when a lot of people are given. This is my approach, right? That's the reason now you will see why I do what I do, kind of. Where's my... So if you look at my other solutions, right, let's say 2sum, you will see there are always a slower solution and a faster solution. Why? All the number array in memory, it will fill all the num array, so we have to handle before it. So can you explain? But if we fill all the number array in memory, I don't get it. Can you explain again, boss? But another thing, as I was saying, right? This is what I did for Amazon interview, and I did clear that part, that version of, or that stage. Yo, Idor, good morning, bro. What's up? So, my first stage, right? At Amazon and 2 other companies, right? Was that you are given, let's say, a hacker one or a hacker rank, whatever that platform is, right? You are given 2 problems, which are similar to the LeetCode one. I'm gonna make some food and eat. Nice, bro. If we using memory, if we just put the array in memory directly, it will be useless. Yeah, why would you put the memory in the like array in the memory? Yeah, why would do that? So what I was saying though, like there were 2 problems, right? My solution, what I did, because we are given only 1 hour to solve both the problems, right? What I did was like I always try to give a solution which I know will work, right? Finally, triple monitor setup. Oh, nice. Oh, okay, you're saying it. All good, all good. So what I did was, right, I did the slower solution, but 100% working. My first try is to make sure it works 100%. Same for the other one. 100% working. Then I look at the time. How much is the time left? Let's say a time left is like only 15 minutes. You know what I will do? There is also explanation area. So I tell them in the explanation area, hey, let's say this one has a complexity of O n square, right? Then in the explanation of problem 1, I will say, do malware dev earn that? Yeah. But in the first problem, I will during the explanation, I will say, okay, I did it this way. I mentioned my time complexity, but then I give a solution which is say, okay, I have a better solution because of the time I could not solve it. So I did, but the solution, I will explain the solution and say, okay, it will be O log n, right? Same for the other problem. I do the same way. Let's say if it was like n log n, again it could be, let's say, on, right? I will give them explanation, and that's how you can clear those interviews. Kidney, my friend is a doctor. Lads, you guys are crazy, man. But okay, so this is how I cleared. This is my story, how I cleared it, right? Let's melt that. Right? Yeah, GG's, lads. GG's. Okay, so now this is we can try to do the same approach, or let's talk about how we can solve it in, let's say, on complexity, right? Or even less. On complexity or even less. So it is a things always it's good to point things out which are given to us, right? So it is a sorted array, which is a big thing, and then it is fixed length, right? It could be a very big one, but it's like a fixed length. Do O negative 1, bruh. And then for return, we have to return K and the array, right? We have to return these two things. Now, you already have like a bunch of data structures you should know, basically. By the way, how was my first Medium post, French? Yo, you have to send the link. Is it there? Did you send? Oh, you sent the link to me privately. Yes, yes. I hope that's the one, right? Let me. I will see it, Idor. I will also see it soon. But okay. Going back, right? We have fixed length and we have it sorted, right? One way. Oh, nice log. Nice, nice. You already got followers, bro. So, one of the best, which I really like, is is a hash map, or for people in Python, it would be dictionary, right? But now I'm thinking like that could solve it. But what are the other ways we can solve, given that we know the sorted array? A ON algorithm approach would be me know English, English know me. Because we don't care about memory, right? I just never care about memory, how much memory or how much variables I'm using to complete these, as long as my time complexity is low. Use tree, hate it. Trees are interesting, yeah. So array, I will create an array 2, right? Let's say I will create an array 2 which is empty, but of equal length as, no, not stack, bro. You can use tag, but not a good one. I don't want to use tag. And I will fill it with, and this is where Python is neat, right? I will fill it with underscores in the start. Very simple, right? Create an array 2 where I will fill it with underscore. And then I know it's sorted, right? I know it's sorted. So how will I do it? Is that, let's say we go with array 1, right? We'll start with array 1, the one that suffer. Nah, man, I already suffer at night, so it's more than enough. Let's say this is the algorithm, right? 0, or this is the one we are given to us. 1, 1, 2, 3. Now, how a person like me would do it, right? I go to the first one, I approach the first one, I see what is the correct, given the fact it's sorted. Remember, sorted is our key to make it go in ON or even less, right? Actually, less than ON, but I will say ON because nobody cares. So I go on the first one, I fill it 0, right? Then I move my pointer, let's say I. First it goes here, then I move my pointer to here, right? Then I compare it with the current one, current pointer. Let's say J here, right? Yeah, linear. What are you up to? What is this question, by the way? This one is remove duplicates from sorted array, bro. Let me send the link. Let me pin it so anybody can see. So as I was saying, right, we have a pointer I, and there is the pointer J, right? It looks at the previous one and say, yo, we are equal, so I'm not going to add this, right? And then let's see who does it fast. That's the whole that's the whole game, right? Then I move the pointer here. I see, okay, 1, let's compare to the current position of J. Is the J equal to I? Right? Is the value of number at J equal to number of I? No. Then J moves and goes to here, puts I here, right? and we will keep another counter, let's say count 1, and we'll keep plusing it, whatever is the value of j's. We can give it the last value of j, or we can just keep in doing count plus plus, right? Goes, sees is there, right? Adds this. This is added. This is added. Now go to 1. Is it there already in the system? Yes. Nobody cares. Remove to I. Again, is it there? No. Goes to 2 plus plus j moves fast. Hopefully, and now if you go, right, we are only going, we are iterating over array only once because it is sorted. We are iterating only once because it's sorted, and then you get it done. That's basically how we will do it, right? And now let's try to write it in English what we just talked about, so it's easy for us to do later on, right? We are given the numbers array, we have to return k, let's say k and the numbers array, right? I need to, 1 second, lads. Autocomplete. Did I want autopilot? Custom instructions, local. I need to look like later on. I think I won't save it. Okay. So basically, I will go with like my English, right? My English know me. First is creating a loop, right? In the loop, I go over, or I can also start with this way actually. So I create an array nums2, and this is I like Python for, right? I'll put underscore in here. English know me, no. We are allowed to import stuff. Yeah, you can import stuff 100%. And it will be of length same as nums.length. I think it's, I haven't done Python in so long. Length nums, I think that's how we do it in Python, or size. Okay, you got it, nice. I just want to remember length in Python, list length. Bro, my logics are good. My coding of Python is like shit. Okay, len. Okay, len. That's why I like Java. It gives me the error right there, and it's easier. So I have len, gives me num, right? What's your method? Basically on, right? Like first there is array 1, we iterate over it, and every time there is a new number, put it in array 2. Basically, simple logic. Let's say, so nums we have, right? And we have a count equal to 0 for now, right? Done, easy. Devansh, what's up, bro? So hopefully this was helpful, right? Okay, now let me ask you a question. So whoever is done, right? Let me ask you a question. If you are given, this is for you, think about it, do not Google. Just a fun question I was looking at. If you are given a sorted array, right? Or actually, you are given an unsorted array. It's an unsorted array of length 101, right? And it has values, let's say 3, 2, 1, 100, 99, right? It contains value from 1 to 100, only one. So basically sort the array, compare and append. Yeah. So it is this array has values from 1 to 100. Only one value is duplicate. How will you solve it? Right? The length is 101. How will you solve it in almost like ON or O1? How XOR? Why XOR? Give me a, like, try to think. The easiest solution and the most best solution is such a easy one. You will hate me for answering that. But think about it, like unsorted array, values from 1 to 100, only one value is there. How will you do it? In ON, let's say, or even like with almost zero space complexity. Right, so now we iterate loop. Don't do it. Don't do it, the best solution. Okay. Loop over nums and sort it and use a loop. That's still a very long solution, so no. It's a very interesting one. Nah, the solution will be like in ON almost. I'm telling you, you guys will hate me, man. And I will tell you this, it was asked in an interview and I hated it. I hated it. What is the question? Unsorted list with value from 1 to 100, right? Its length is 101. You have to find which only digit is repeated. For I to j, right? Yeah, try it. Hopefully you haven't Googled. Don't Google it though. And those are the type of. Yes. So basically, for that, you have to like sum all of these. You know, like the sum of unsorted list from 101, which did repeated. Yeah. So basically, you sum all of them. You already know the sum of 1 to 100. Whatever comes, how much ever extra it is, that's the answer. So it's basically done in ON solution. It's really good solution. That's why maths like is important, right? That's why maths is important. So we go over this, right? Now we have nums, right? Let me do count should be good, right? So if nums2 at count not equal to at I, yep, nums2 count is equal to this, count plus equals 1. Else we do I plus equals 1. So here I think this will do. Nah, dude, this is actually like one of those things you just need to know this. That was the question, right? You just need to know those type of problems, and that's the reason like all those formulas are so helpful in maths. R.I.P. Ramanujan, right? You're still thinking about the question. Return count and there is only one repeated, only one digit is repeated. What if we use a different method? You can use a different method. Try to get the solution basically in ON. That's the whole main idea of it, right? There are always 100%. There are always other ways. Like, but basically the best solution is adding them, right? There is one easy way I will talk about it is using hash map or dictionary. linked list too, but like just use hash map, right? A lot of let me give you this trick also. A lot of these problems you are going to solve in these LeetCode problems, when they go a little bit hard, majority of them are using hash maps. Majority are using hash maps. So let's see if this is the solution. This will work for me. My method, we track which number have been seen before. The first number we encounter that's already marked is duplicate. Yeah, that's what hash map will do. Yeah. No, linked list is the only concept. How is it no extra space? Like linked list, you still need a node. You need to like save the value from a pointer. So you still you will be using 2n almost, like which basically is n amount of value. Yeah, that's the thing. Like those problems are really like nice. Whoever built these problems are like, and those that was asked in Microsoft, right? Like, so I'm not even joking. Using index as address and the value as pointer. Hi Rajeshwar. No more maths for today, please. Index as address and value. But you need like how will let's say if I reach to 2, if I want to reach to 2, index as address. So basically you are creating an array and the pointer. But or if you are using something like this, right? Let me quickly draw. If you are using something like this, array, which is pointing to number of occurrences, this is the hash map, bro. This is the hash map. Yeah. Maybe you can draw and put it in the what's this called Discord. Now it's pure boolean. Oh, you got another method. Wow, that would be helpful. Like I would love to hear the methods. Like put it in the Discord and like here as well. If you can send the drawing. I don't know if you can send the drawing. Find duplicate number set. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, it's like hash map. Same thing. Set hash map. Yeah. But we have to return the array too, bro. Like array like this. And hopefully this one is working. Now I just need to copy paste this. Solution num, let's say yeah. But like we need to return the num, bro, wrench. Don't need to give the target, whatever. Okay, let's see, let's run this. Hopefully it works. Why it's not working? Oh, it should be in DSA. Easy. Remove duplicates. List. Did it give a something here? Define? No, it's just simple list, right? It is not iterable. What? Line 11. Which language is the best for learning DSA, bro? Honestly, bro, let me ask you a question. Are you starting coding? Because like data structure in algorithm is like you don't language is not the thing, right? Like you don't care about language. You should be able to do it in any language as long as you understand the context. Oh, sorry, Idor, I just missed your messages. My apologies, boss. This. Like Rajeshwar, you don't have to care about the language as long as you understand. Like for me, Java was my best language. Okay, so you just care about like able to if you're able to draw and solve it like on here. If you're able to draw and solve it, language should not be care. Python is good, it's fast, right? Easy to code. So that's always a plus point because Python has like a lot of people love Python. A lot of companies use Python, so it's always good. But there is no for data structure algorithm, you don't care about it. Drawing, that's the best thing. Yeah, do Python then. In that case, do Python. Pick Python. Yeah, 100%. I'll give you language. Join Discord. Oh yeah. Once you learn one lang strong. Yeah, 100%. And sorry, Idor, I just saw your messages. Let's see what they are. Example 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, where the size is 5, num 1 minus 4 with 3 duplicates. True, false, iteration, false, seen, true. Yeah, like, basically, yeah, you're doing that. Watch, ask him to scroll through chat. Sorry, yeah. Did you have CS? Holy. Yeah, just do Python, man. Golang is also good, but like if you know Python, right, just stick to Python for now, I will say, and get your DSA better because that will help you with the job. And Python is still almost like a top level language, right? Used most popular one. Yo, okay, Idor, you mentioned about like scene and stuff for typing import list. True scene. So basically, you creating the same thing as like a array, another extra array, and seeing things, right? Like mark scene and stuff. But you have to sort it too, right? You are basically have to sort it for your solution to work, I believe. What's the career path you're pursuing? Yeah, that's join C program. Sounds good, mate. Sounds good. Okay, let me solve this. In range, okay, I think this will do the job. 6, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Hold up, this didn't work the way I wanted it to work. 6011. No, I need to return the value of like 4. Leave my solution alone. If nums2, right, not equal to this. So let's say we reach from 0, 0. So nums is here, it should be underscore nums is basically 0. They are not equal. Nums2 at let's say 0 will get the value 0. Then the one nums I will become 1 or 0 again. Oh, sorry, 1. Yeah. Where is Rover? Yeah, I don't know. Where is Rover? No more rovering. Might be busy. He might have work, right? He is in emergency services. So now next we iterate over count is now here. So we are talking about this path, nums count. Is this now I plus, so it goes here, nums count becomes this 1 goes to 1 makes 1 becomes 1, count goes plus, so it becomes here, nums 1 again goes to stays 1 because it goes up. Oh, count should happen, not happen. I try to come daily, boss. I try to come daily. I have the evening one, which is about cybersecurity only. Morning one, I'm trying to be daily. I don't know for how long it will work because of the job. And we finish dumping my food into the organic dustbin. That's fun. Thank you for the hearts. It's nice to see them, especially in the morning. I like it. But yo, nums count. So this is my problem. The count plus 1 plus equals 1. So basically, the count should come up if they are not equal, and then go over the next one. So what I mean here to explain, right? Why don't you just convert to set and again to list? We can do that, but like if I convert from set to list, is there like so I'm also not the best with Python. Will it be sorted? That's a question I have. So 0 1, right now the count is here and this one is here. Count minus 1, it should compare with count minus 1. Should be count minus 1. If count not equal to 0, or count minus 1 still will work, right? Because it will just go back to -1. This might still work because of Python. Nope. Why num2 ch? Good thing I don't have to use DSA actively in my project here. Num2 is basically the next one I have to return this, right? With all the underscores. I will have it from this someday. Bro. Check input test case. Oh, that's actually a good point. If I just run this, let's see. Use bubble sort, use list. Did every Wednesday get problem solving? Every Wednesday get problem solving challenge. Bro, I want to do those, but like I saw the challenge today, it was so hard. Use bubble sort and use list to set list to. Bro, so many. 1 second. Oh, it just returns. You just return the value int at the back. Yes. Thank you so much, bro. You're right. You're right. You're right. I was wrong here. I just have to return the count. Best. Yeah. But I still need to solve like the way I need to solve it, right? It's already sorted. I'm just thinking like range 0 to 1. But if I want to return, let's say if I have to return, I'm just thinking in the sense like, let's say if I have to return numbers 2, return my count, yeah. But like number 2 is also not coming right properly. And then count. This might solve it. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think this will do it. What's the question number? I think this is the one, bros. But Balaji, what you mentioned, did every Wednesday get problem solving challenge? Like, do you every Wednesday problem solving? Is there like a special problem every Wednesday or something? No problem, mate. I want to see if my solution is actually returning the right thing. Yeah, okay, it's returning the right thing now. Good. Okay, this will solve the problem. Let's see. Now the goal is to make sure this is the most beautiful thing about Python, not going to lie. One of the most beautiful thing. So it's judging output. Oh, I have to change the nums itself. I have to change nums too. I plus equals 1, no. Num count plus equal 1. What? I think I have to change nums itself too, boss. Num equal nums 2. Remove the other. This one? Oh, yes. You're right. It's already going in that. Or nums equal, actually. Need to return int value. Output is coming. Expected one is this. Let's see what. Let's go back to this guy here. Should return k with the first 5 with the first 5 elements of nums. Here, your function should return k with the first 5 elements of num being. I have to change. Wait, hold up. Change the array num such that the first. I have to change the change the numbers array as well. I have to change nums array, bro. That's also I have to change. So if I go back here quickly. How should I develop DSS skill set, bro? I try to solve the harder problems, but I struggle in there. Now how should I improve it? Honestly, bro, like data structure and algorithm with 0. Hold up. 1 second. So Balaji, like data structure and stuff, like I will say try to like do as many problems solving, like because data structure and algorithm is something you will just gain by time and like more practice. Like I know this is the worst answer I can give you because a lot of time people are not looking for this answer, but this specific skill is all about that. This specific skill is about like finding and doing more practice. Also, one thing you can do, develop better softwares, do some coding more, and like do better solving of whenever you develop a something you are trying to build, right? Try to add data structures. Like if something you have built in past, like a website or something, try to add better data structures there. Also, I'd also, let's say if not nums return 0, k equals 1, at least one unique element. Oh, it starts from 1. You want me to start from 1? Yeah, okay, so basically here you want me to do. The more we practice, the more we get good. 100%. Even with hacking, right? Like that's what we have, I think, talked about all the time. If length of nums the last time I used data structure was for the undo redo in a game. How was that, bro? Oh yeah, return length. Count is 1. Let's start with that. Let's say zero is equal to so that's what you mean, Nido, right? Bye, bro. Have to go fun. Yeah, sounds good. Thank you so much, Range, for joining. Start with 1. Won't this work like this? See, the timing is pretty good, man. Getting lots of new viewers. Yeah, I think a lot of people in India like are able to come after their work and stuff, right? Oh, it's from Discord. I'm getting something. Check the Discord. If not nums, okay. Let's see what. If not numbers, return 0. Makes sense. At least one unique element, right? Yeah, you are basically comparing. But bro, oh, I think I see you what you are doing here. We don't care. Oh, okay, this is actually a better solution. This is actually a better solution. Yeah, because you are basically changing the nums array. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's actually a much better one. Don't have to create nums too. But here for this, I think if it is 0 and 1, I can just return this. But if it is more than this, let's say I minus 1. Wait, you are not in India? No, I'm not in India, bro. I'm in Canada. My throat. I came for studying in Canada after my high school, after grade 12. Do you believe in LeetCode? Yes, for now, yes. For now, yes. So I need to keep a count. equal to, let's say, 0. And first one I have to still solve. First one will be unique. So let's say it starts with 1, 0, 1, 0, this. Why not put each number into a separate array, and if the next number is present in the array, then skip it? Yes, that's what I was doing, but actually this one, here's the thing, this one is actually using less memory. That's basically the reason. Because that was our first algorithm approach, but this one is using what's this called, less memory. So it's good to learn this way, I guess. But the way you are saying, Varshit, that's actually like also the right way, because it will end up being in the same time complexity of ON. But this one, like the space complexity is O1, your one will be ON. So for I in range nums, right, let's go from using AI tools to solve BSA problems was good, and using Geeks for Geek docs, and when I struggle with the CTF challenges, I'm mostly using. So that Balaji, yeah, thank you, man. But I will say this: if you really want to learn, AI can, sorry, I don't have best words, but AI can actually fuck your mind. So try to use less AI. AI is good if you are able to create some like valuable tools, are able to, like, if there's something repetitive you are able to do with some AI intelligence, great, right? Or some like getting your code fast done and stuff. But like if you actually want to learn, don't use AI. Like don't use AI. Go back to Googling stuff. Because like you need to learn how to be able to develop things with AI, but to learn concepts you just get rid of AI. Are you using Python? Why not put the numbers in a set? That's also one, but like then out of that we need sorting and stuff done, because nums has to be changed. Yeah, if you use AI, you will lose, basically you will lose the capacity of thinking, which is what differentiate humans from any other thing, right? 1 equals 0, 1 plus equal 1. It will excuse me, loop over num. We have 1 to end, right? I minus so this will become 0. We need to set up. What about 0 case, bro? I do, in your case of 0, I think at 0 will still remain same, I think. Okay, got it. 0, is it here? It's the value at 0 and 1, so basically these two. Are they same? No. Then count, so at 1 this will remain. Let's go to the next iteration. This becomes 2. Still 1. This is 1. Don't do anything. Okay, I think I see it now. Okay, let's run this. Let's see. 4, but I want to get yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's our main goal. You were right, bro. Okay, so I think if we can get this out. And also, like, so just to be clear, like, I'm not the best with Python. I want to learn Python. So I thought, I will just make myself suffer a bit by doing LeetCode problems every morning. Okay, now this is working. Sounds good. Thank you. Thanks, Idor. I just had to like make that change. beats 100% of the solution. Memory wise beats 8%. How I'm using some memory that is so bad? Is it because of the count? Memory wise, I'm still like very bad. Holy. My coding, I have been coding for like, I'm doing, I mean, I have a 3 years of experience, but like my coding is in JavaScript, Java, those places, not Python. Not Python. So I want to learn Python for cybersecurity specifically. Okay, we can take this. I think we can take this as a good yes. Let's talk about. Oh, I'm just thinking. The solution I had was a bit different. Okay. I think using O log n was reduce the time complexity. So Balaji, you are killing yourself with Python LeetCode. I know. I know, bro. I'm killing myself with Python. It's just so like it's just I wanted to do it because I think I need it was supposed to be done, I guess. Like it was supposed to be done, right? Make a port scanner with Python. Wait, there is a solution with O log n as well? How is that? Learn TCM's Python 101 and 201. Okay, sounds good, bro. I'll have a look into those. Then SpaceX Python for hackers. Dude, I need to do a lot of things, man. Life. Learning never stops though. Like it's so much learning out there with AI too. Like you remember I was sending you the messages, right, for VO3 and stuff. Ask me the course. Sounds good, man. Thank you so much. Well, like there's so many learning things with AI. Like right now, agentic AI, RAG, um, and generative AI. So many things. I'll send you or Drive, Google Drive. Yeah. Oh yeah, lads. Before like I don't want to. So please join the Discord, right? I have something I want to share. Even if you don't want to join the Discord, that's fine. Like, look at this. What I'm going to share with you. So use this. This will be helpful if you want to learn AI and learn how to use AI, right? What is it? Announcements. Yeah. So Google is giving 1 year of free AI Pro subscription to all Indian students, right? I will share this link, but also it's in the Discord announcement. Do look at it. You will get like AI related stuff for free for a whole year from Google, like Gemini, VO, and all those things. So, and Notebook LLM, really good one. So do have a look into that. Thanks, Idor. Like you with the drive thing you mentioned, I was able to remember. But yeah, lads, I think this one is done for today. If a number is repeating million times, you can use binary search to reduce time complexity in this question. Yeah, I think yeah, binary search would be the best way. If a number is repeating million times, yeah. If we basically let me make sure I get the question right though. Let's say if there is a number that is repeating a million times and you have to find. Wait, but if a number is repeating million times, what are we going to do with it? Was it like, are we finding like a number which is not repeating, or if a number that is like repeating, like which one we're looking for, bro? Oh, in this question, like if we have a number that's repeating million times, yeah. But like, how will I get it back with the new num array? Then we have to look for like for a very guy who flirts with AI is the king. Like how rabbit flirts with firewall. Flirting with firewall. We want to find the point where the numbers end repeating. Yeah, I think like then that's where like some we have to find a way because we have to put a condition that because we don't know how the array will look. What if there is no it's not repeating a million times, right? Like if there are two things, then I think that's where smartness or intelligence needs to be. There is another method for this question. Oh, what is that one? But Devansh, I have a quick question, right? How will you be able to tell the array you are getting is like normal, like with like just one or two repeat, or would be like a crazy one with like millions of repeat, millions of repetitions? How will you be able to find? Because able to distinguish then, and then only you want to use binary search, right? We want to find uh, use pointers, two of them. Yes, I see. Yes, pointers on the same array. You use the pointer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's actually a good call. That would be more complex, but that would be actually a good call. The good practice. Yeah, yeah. But like Devansh, like, do you know how? I'm really curious about this one. This is where we might need some intelligence into our play, right? Like, algorithm with like only one or two repetitions versus like one with million repetitions. This case, if you use binary search, yes, amazing stuff, right? But finding when to use binary search and when not to, that would be like a hard one, right? Because in this case, binary search will make it way more slower. Hmm. How many we have done? Remove complete. Maybe like yo, quick question. No, I should not say anything. I was thinking on the weekend we should just do a bunch of them together. Yeah, that can be a draw. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's where like I think like we need to find that would be a great way. Like not going to life with a million problems. Buying such that's a good thinking. Got to go. Gonna continue my malware development course. About to complete it by tomorrow. Wasted my time with Medium post. Oh, I see. Nah, man. Everything is useful. Who knows, right? But thank you so much, Idor, for joining, man. And also, lads, I will be taking a leave. I have work too. I have the job stuff too. So I'll be taking your leave, and I will see you guys or tonight. Actually, tonight we will be continuing with our try hack me hashing algorithms and how to check the integrity of a file using hashing algorithms. And then tomorrow morning again, LeetCode for some Python and stuff. Do yeah, just have a good day, have a nice day and nice night, get some good sleep. Thank you so much for joining. It is like a pleasure to be able to chat with so many people and just have so many good minds. Like that binary search question was actually good. So thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Varshit, thank you so much for joining, mate. Balaji, Devansh, Shriram, you're always my G, bro. Rajeshwar, thank you so much for the questions, man. Wrench, Idor, everyone, thank you so much, lads. And hopefully, you guys have a great night. I will see you guys tonight and tomorrow. Make sure to give your loved ones a hug. And if you like this information, do share information with others too, whether through this channel or just by yourself. And till then, I'll see you completed. Yeah, completed for the day because I have to go get some work done. I have job, so I have to do job work. Have to pay the bills, boss. But yeah, no, we'll do one at a time, right? Every day we'll do one problem, and that's how we'll become better. You should do. I encourage you to do more, but don't burn yourself out. That's one big thing with these problems, right? But good night. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow. Like usual, this is your favorite YouTube hacker in town, the lover of data structures, and they love me back, hopefully. Okay, thank you so much, and bye. Bye, everyone. Love you so much. Thank you so much for joining.